Sermon number 234. Causes for difference in the features and traits of people. In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful. Zayl Yamani is related from Ahmad ibn Qutayba, and he from Abdullah ibn Yazid, and he from Malik ibn Diyah, who said, "We were with Amir al-Mu'minin when discussion arose about the differences of men, in features and conduct, and then Amir al-Mu'minin said, they differ among themselves because of the sources of their clay, from which they have been created. This is because they are either from saltish soil or sweet soil, or from rugged earth or soft earth. They resemble each other on the basis of the affinity of their soil, and differ according to its difference. Therefore, sometimes a person of handsome features is weak in intelligence, a tall-statured person is of low courage, a virtuous person is ugly in appearance. A short-statured person is far-sighted, a good-natured person has an evil trait, a person of perplexed heart has bewildering mind, and a sharp-tongued person has a wakeful heart.